A 2.02-second electric beast, the Zeekr 001 FR unleashes 1,300 horsepower with 4 motors, rivaling million-dollar supercars. How does this Chinese performance car use carbon fiber kits and torque vectoring to dominate the track against traditional competitors? The Zeekr 001 FR, Geely's high-end electric flagship, features the world's first 800V Qilin battery and quad-motor torque vectoring. With 1,300 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.02 seconds, redefining performance standards and marking a breakthrough for Chinese brands in electric supercars. The car features a honeycomb grille and polygonal LED headlights with neatly arranged bulbs. The side profile boasts a sleek line from front to rear, complemented by 5-spoke blade wheels. The rear showcases gradient oval taillights, a silver bumper guard, and a small diffuser, offering a modern, dynamic look. The 001 FR features a quad-motor system delivering around 1,300 horsepower, achieving 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.02 seconds. It has a 100 kilowatt-hours Qilin battery with 800V fast charging, reaching 80% in 15 minutes and offering a 550 kilometers range. It balances performance and efficiency superbly. The Zeekr 001 FR features front double wishbone and rear multi-link suspension systems made from aluminum to reduce unsprung mass, enhancing driving performance. With a precise steering system and a minimum turning radius of 5.9 meters, it offers excellent handling. The chassis is finely tuned to absorb road bumps while maintaining road feel, and the air suspension with electromagnetic damping balances comfort and control. The Zeekr 001 FR interior blends performance and luxury with a sporty steering wheel featuring physical buttons, a 13.02-inch curved display, and a 2.5K OLED center screen. Red-black suede and carbon fiber seats exude premium feel, while a 28-speaker Yamaha sound system and hidden ambient lighting enhance the futuristic aesthetic. Equipped with the Z80 intelligent driving system, this vehicle features long-range LiDAR and 13 cameras for precise environmental sensing. It supports L2+ level assistance, including auto parking and highway navigation, with automatic emergency braking at speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour for safety and reliability. The Zeekr 001 FR is a high-performance electric coupe priced around $106,000. It features all-wheel drive, 1,300 horsepower, and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.02 seconds. With a 100 kilowatt-hour battery and 800V platform, it charges in just 15 minutes. Carbon fiber kit and track-level brakes enhance its speed and handling. The Zeekr 001 FR redefines electric supercar standards with a stunning 2.02-second acceleration. Its carbon fiber kit and powerful all-wheel drive system make this high-performance electric coupe a true track beast. Interested? Share your thoughts in the comments at HeyCarZone.